Hello and welcome to the In News series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be discussing about a recent ruling of the Supreme Court, and it talks about the Aadhaar card validity, and it has been questioned on the grounds of the validity, and it talks about that Aadhaar card cannot be taken as a proof for date of birth. So what is it all about is what we will be looking. So first of all, about the points of discussion. First we will be looking at the news, then how the matter reached the Supreme Court, then what is the legal clarification about the Aadhaar, what is a Aadhaar, and then in the end prelims practice question. Topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 2, that is Acts. The news talks about that Supreme Court rules that Aadhaar cannot be used as a proof of date of birth. So as of now, Aadhaar card, which most of you people will also be having with you, so that Aadhaar card, it cannot be taken as a proof for the date of birth. Now date of birth cannot be identified or cannot be taken as a validity with regard to the Aadhaar card. This is what the Supreme Court has said. Now what is the news? So it talks about that Supreme Court has said that the Aadhaar card cannot be used as a proof of age. So age or date of birth cannot be proved by the Aadhaar card. There are other documents which can be taken into consideration for the validity of the date of birth, and these can be school leaving certificates. So if Aadhaar is there and then school leaving certificates are there, then school leaving certificates will be given more weightage. Then this has also raised questions on the purpose of the Aadhaar. Now what is the purpose of the Aadhaar that we are having? So that purpose of the Aadhaar is that it can work as an identity proof, but it cannot work as a proof for citizenship or as a proof for date of birth. Now let us talk about that how the matter reached the Supreme Court. So what has happened is that the Supreme Court has set aside an order by the Punjab and Haryana High Court, where the Punjab and Haryana High Court has accepted Aadhaar card for determining the age of a road accident victim to grant compensation. So a road accident took place and the family of the deceased reached the Punjab and Haryana High Court, and Punjab and Haryana High Court gave the compensation on the basis of the date of birth which was given in the Aadhaar card, and the family did not agree by it, as there was a, you can say, a difference between the date of birth with regard to the school leaving certificate and date of birth with regard to the Aadhaar card. So in the end the matter reached the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court gave the ruling in favor of the age which was given in the school leaving certificate and not by the Aadhaar card. So the Supreme Court has said that the age of the deceased person had to be determined from the date of birth which is mentioned in the school leaving certificate, not what is mentioned in the Aadhaar. And then it also talks about UIDAI circular number 8 of 2023, and it talks about that an Aadhaar card can be used to establish a person's identity but not for date of birth. Now what are the legal clarifications with regard to the usage of the Aadhaar till now? So let us talk about the legal clarifications. So Bombay High Court. So what Bombay High Court has said is that in the state of Maharashtra versus UIDAI case 2022, it has clarified that the scope and limitations of Aadhaar as an identity document, and it talks about that Aadhaar is only a proof of identity, not of citizenship or date of birth. So Aadhaar is not a proof for date of birth or citizenship, it is only an identity proof. Then comes the Supreme Court of India. So what the Supreme Court of India has said that in Justice K.S. Puttaswamy and Others versus Union of India 2018, it has upheld the constitutional validity of Aadhaar, and it talks about that section 9 of the Aadhaar Act 2016, it states that the Aadhaar number or the authentication thereof shall not by itself confer any right of or be proof of citizenship or domicile. So it also talks about that Aadhaar is not a proof of citizenship or domicile. Then comes the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. It talks about that Aadhaar is not a proof of date of birth, as date of birth proof can be taken from many other documents, like for example the school leaving certificates. Then comes the EPFO, that is the Employee Provident Fund Organization. It talks about that January 2014 it has deleted Aadhaar from the list of documents acceptable as proof of date of birth. So by different legal clarifications, we can say that Aadhaar cannot be taken as a proof for the date of birth or citizenship. It is for proving an identity of a person, or you can say it works as an ID proof for a person, not as citizenship or not for date of birth. Date of birth, other documents are used. Now, what is a Aadhaar? So basically, what is a Aadhaar? So this is how an Aadhaar looks like, and you can see your Aadhaar, or your parents must be having, majority of the people are having as of now the Aadhaar. So you can go and check out the Aadhaar. So it is a 12 digit individual identification number, and it is issued by the UIDAI on behalf of the government of India. So this is the 12 digit Aadhaar number which is placed on your Aadhaar card, and the authority which looks into it is UIDAI. Then the number serves as a proof of identity and address anywhere in India. So Aadhaar card consists of your date of birth, your name, your address. Then Aadhaar card is a biometric document, and it stores our individual's personal information on the government database, also as biometric information. Then it is issued to any person residing in the country for around 6 months or more. So any person can issue Aadhaar. So this was about what has happened till now with regard to the Aadhaar. So what the Supreme Court has said, then how the matter reached the Supreme Court, and then the legal clarifications with regard to the Aadhaar till now in different cases. Then what is a Aadhaar? And if we go by, then as of now, linking of Aadhaar and PAN card is one of the mandatory things that a person has to do. And as we are closing down, and this is the last thing, that is the prelims practice question. So the question talks about, consider the following statements, and it is a PYQ of the year 2018, and it talks about, first statement, Aadhaar card can be used as a proof of citizenship or domicile. Second, once issued Aadhaar number cannot be deactivated or omitted by the issuing authority. So these are the two statements, and you have to talk about which of the statements given above are correct. One only, two only, both one and two, neither one nor two. So give me the answer in the comment section. And as we close down, I must remind you that the Drishti IAS has come up with a 40% discount on the occasion of the Deepavali. So you can give us a call at 8010440440 or 87501 So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.